Okay, welcome back. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can add a link and an image to your website. So the first you need to do is to create a link, you need to make it of the A tag, which means an anchor tag. So the anchor tag comes with an attribute. This is how attribute look like. It has an assignment sign. This equals to sign as seen here is called assignment sign, followed by a quote sign. This is a quote sign. In programming or in coding, we have two types of quote sign. We have double quote and the single quote. So that's it. Okay, now in between this anchor tag here, anything you write here, for instance, let me say go to Facebook. Once you save it, then come back here. You can see here this looks like a link now, but if I should click on it, you can see that nothing happened. It's not taking me to Facebook website. So if you want it to take you to any website, you have to put the link here. For instance, www.facebook.com. So note you are going to put your website link in between the double quote, and then put the text you want it to appear here. So you want to save it here, then click on it. You can see here that it's trying to take me to Facebook website, but there's no internet connection. So this is how you can create a link tag. Okay, so in case you also want like a copy, you want to like when a user click on the link, it should take it to your Facebook profile or TikTok account. You can just like copy your TikTok link or your Facebook account. I go to paste it in between this place, and then you can change the text to look more professional. You can just say okay, view my profile. So you can take to view your profile. So once you refresh, the person can click on the link and take the person to a particular website. Okay, so in case you don't want the person to go to another website, you can just like okay, create a file here, create another alien file here. You can create any file, maybe so just say login. Instead of Facebook or Google, you can just put login.html, and then let me just add some code here first. Let me add h1. Save it, and then we comment to refresh. So once you click on the link here now, you can see it will take you to the next page. So let me do a recap of what I did there. So like I said, to create a link tag, you have to make use of the A tag. The A tag means anchor tag, and the anchor tag came with an attribute that has an assignment sign and a quote sign. So the attribute is href. They add your assignment sign and then your quote sign. So in between these attributes, in between the quote, that they are going to put the link of your website, either internal link or external link. So in between this tag here, this tag, let me make it more. So you can see the closing tag of the A tag, this is the opening tag. So in between the tag, you are going to add your text here. So you're going to add your text. So in between this quote, don't forget in between this quote, you are going to add your website link here. Okay, so it's very easy to create a link tag. So you can you can create different anchor tag and put different link. So the next one here will be image. So like in Trap Edit, when I was creating a video, I mentioned something of how to import an image. Instead of just clicking new file, you click on instead of clicking new file, you click on import file. So once you click on import file, you can select any images you want, and then to rename it, you have to click and hold the image to rename. So in VS Code, I will show you how you can import images here. So to create an image, you have to make use of img tag. So this is an img tag here. So this img tag has an attribute here, which is RRM, RM, SRC, and ALT. So the SRC tag attribute means source attribute, while the ALT means alternative. So in between this source attribute, this is where I'm going to put the name of our image. So after we have added the name of our image, then I will show you what this alternative attribute means. So first of all, to import our image to VS Code, we need to click on this button here. Click on you have to come back to your folder. Okay, locate your picture file. Just look for any photo you like to use. For instance, let me use this here. So you can just copy it, or you can just drag it to VS Code. Can you drag and drop it here? So I can see if you don't want to drag, you can just copy it, go back to your folder, and then you can paste it here. So this is the image here. So to add the name, to add the image to your website, you just need to write the image. You have to put the name of the image here, which is 12331 dot the image type. If it's PNG, you write PNG. If it's JPEG, you write JPEG. If it's JPG, you write it. So yes, mine is JPG. So I'm going to write it here. So let me go back to index. So let me scroll. So you can see the image here. This is the image here. But the problem is that the image is too wide enough. So now it's time for us to crop it now. So the easiest way to crop your image is to add a width attribute. So the width attribute, you can just set it to any value here, either 250 pixel. Then once you refresh, you can see this is the size now. This is the size. So you can see I already crop it. You can also use height too. If you want to give it a particular height, you can give it a particular height. So you can put 150 pixel here. Okay, let me increase it. You can see now the height is ready. So but I prefer using the width. I prefer the width instead of the height. I'm not going to remove it here. So this is the main thing here. This is it here. So the ALT here, in case this image file is no longer available on your website, it will show the text you added in this ALT alternative attribute. For instance, let me just say this is a car, and then comment to refresh it. You can see here the text is not shown here. But for instance, let me say okay, let me just remove one word from the image to show that okay, they made it more available. Let me refresh it first. So you can see here, this is a car. So you try to tell the user that okay, this is a car. This image represents a car image. So that's the main work of the ALT. So you can just go back. So this is all for anchor tag and image. So I'm sending your assignment soon.